Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Today we are going to begin with the book Pebbles of Grammar by class 4 and it's by Galaxy Publications. So let's begin with our new topic, that is chapter number 9, tenses. Now after studying verbs, we are now starting with tenses. What's written here? Let's read quickly. Verbs are words which are used in different forms. Verbs ऐसे शब्द हैं जिनको हम अलग अलग तरीके से इस्तेमाल करते हैं. For example, they have given us certain sentences. Let's have a quick look at them. He plays tennis. He plays tennis. So the word plays here is what? It's a verb. They play tennis. They play tennis. We are playing tennis. Are playing. She played tennis. Played. They were playing tennis. And I will play tennis. So, in these sentences 1, 2 and 3, that means this one and this one. The forms of the verb are plays, play and are playing. कौन-कौन से हमें verbs दिख रही हैं? कौन-कौन सी forms हैं? पहला है plays, the second one is play and the third one is are playing. What do they show? They show us the present time. ये हमें दिखाते हैं कि we are talking about the present time. The form of verbs in sentences 4 and 5. Now if you look carefully in 4th and the 5th sentence, they are using the word played and were playing. So they are telling you what? They are telling you the forms of past time. Means the action was taking place in some past time, बीता हुआ समय. The form of verb in sentence 6 is what? It is will play. And what does this denote? It is which form of verb? It tells you or it refers to you about the future time, यानी कि आने वाला समय जो अभी आया नहीं है. Present means जो चल रहा है, past means जो बीत गया है और future means जो आने वाला समय है यानी कि कल. So these different forms of verbs are called tenses. So these different forms which we have read just now in these sentences, what do we call them as? We call them as tenses, which are as, जो इस तरह से follows हैं. चलिए उसको अब हम read करते हैं. Now what are the different forms they are talking about? The different form they are talking about is, the first sentence is he plays tennis. So this is which form? This is present simple tense. And the next one, they play tennis. Again this is present simple tense, or you can also call it as a simple present tense. Then we are playing. Now what is this? This is present continuous tense. She played tennis. Now this is simple past or past simple tense. They were playing. This is past continuous tense. And the last one, I will play tennis. That means future simple tense. So we have studied about simple present tense, then simple past, simple future, present continuous and past continuous tense in these sentences. So far we have seen that a verb has 4 forms. अभी तक हमने क्या देखा है कि verb की 4 forms होती हैं. The first one is the base form. Fine. For example, we are taking the example of the word play. P-L-A-Y, play. It is the base form of this. Then S or ES, it forms plays. If we are adding S or ES to the verb, this will change likewise. Then in the third point, they are saying ing form or present participle, it changes into P-L-A-Y, I-N-G, playing, and the past tense is played. What is the past tense? The past tense is played. So the form with ing is known as present participle. S or ES is this, past tense is played, and this is the base form of the verb. So this is it. Now let's move further. Well, the next page now speaks about that there is one more form of verb which is called as past participle. Fine. तो एक और फॉर्म होती है वर्ब की जिसको हम बुलाते हैं पास्ट पार्टिसिपल. इन मोस्ट वर्ब्स द पास्ट टेंस and the past participle of regular verbs are the same. ज़्यादातर verbs की past participle form and past participle या past tense जिसे हम कहते हैं वो regular verbs की almost same होती है. They are formed by adding ed और d. या तो उनके end में हम ed या फिर d लगा देते हैं और इस तरह से उनकी past participle form हो जाती है. जैसे कि work, the past tense is worked and past participle is also worked. Now the word given over here is e, this is misprint, so you should know कि ये सिर्फ past tense लिखा है. The heading is past tense. Enjoy, enjoyed, enjoyed. Advise, advised, advised. Look, looked, looked. Pray, prayed, prayed. Agree, agreed and agreed. So this is it. Now they all were what? They all were regular verbs. Now let's talk about certain irregular verbs. Irregular verbs form the past tense and past participle in a different way. तो irregular verbs जो होते हैं कैसे form करते हैं, उनमें past participle और past tense जो हैं अलग तरीके से काम करते हैं. For example, take, took, taken. Sing, sang, sung. Eat, ate, eaten. Give, gave, given. Rise, rose, risen. And write, wrote and written. So these are certain irregular verbs. Let's now move to the next table. Now what are they talking about is some regular and irregular verbs in their form are given below. So you have to just first read them, go through them, and then you will understand more of the examples of the verb. So a very big table has been given there. Now let's quickly read it. Arise, arose, arisen. Accept, accepted, accepted. Agree, agreed, agreed. Allow, allowed, allowed. Arrive, arrived, arrived. Ask, asked and asked. Bark, barked and barked. Bathe, bathed and bathed. Begin, began, begun. Begin, in, began, an, and begin is un. Behave, behaved, behaved. Believe, believed, believed. Beg, begged, begged. Bring, brought, brought. Brush, brushed, brushed. Build, built and built again. Buy, bought, bought. Then cook, cooked, cooked. Cheat, cheated, cheated. Close, closed and closed. Order, ordered, ordered. Punish, punished and punished. Change, changed, changed. Climb, climbed, climbed. Damage, damaged, damaged. Dance, danced, danced. Then destroy, destroyed, destroyed again. Drink, drank and drunk, drunk. Do, did, done. Divide, divided, divided. Drive, drove and driven. Eat, ate, eaten. And the last one, enjoy, enjoyed and enjoyed. So this was all about the table. Some regular as well as irregular verbs were given over here. Now let's quickly move to the next page. So few more regular and irregular verbs have been given on the next page also. Let's now quickly go through them and read them. Come, came, come. Fall, fell, fallen. Fail, failed, failed. Gather, gathered, gathered. Greet, greeted, greeted. Hear, heard, heard. Love, loved, loved. Make, made and made. Prepare, prepared and prepared. Read, read, read. Roar, roared, roared. Ring, rang, rung. Sit, sat, sat. Sleep, slept, slept. speak, spoke, spoken, steal, stole, stolen, swim, swam, swum, stand, stood and again stood, bet, bet, bed. Now there are certain words जिसमें उनकी तीनों forms same रहती है, जैसे कि bet, 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 burst, burst, burst and cut, cut, cut. Then on the next table we have the first word find, found, found, file, filled, filled, finish, finished, finished, give, gave, given, help, helped, helped, like, liked, liked, start, started, started, teach, taught, taught, think, thought, thought, take, took, taken, waste, wasted, again wasted, wash, washed, again washed, wait, waited, again waited. Then we have walk, walked, walked, write, wrote, written, win, won, won, wear, wore and worn. यहाँ पे difference है wear, wore and worn, O-R-N and the last. Work, worked, worked, hit, 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 hurt, hurt, hurt and put, put and put. So these were the certain more regular and irregular verbs. Let's now move forward. Well, we missed two other words, that is word cost and shut. So they all also remain the same in all the three forms, cost, cost, cost and shut, shut and shut. If you look carefully, these four and these four in the two columns, they all are same. They all are same in the three forms. These verbs are, they remain same, almost same in the three forms. Now let's do the exercise quickly. The first question of the exercise states, write S or ES forms of the following verbs. So the first word given over here is speak and it will change into S-P-E-A-K-S, speaks. Then the second word is play. Now this changes into P-L-A-Y-S, plays. Then the third one, go, it changes into goes, G-O-E-S. The fourth one, teach, then it changes into T-E-A-C-H-E-S, teaches. Fifth one is wash and it gets changed into washes, that means we will add es to it. Sixth one is come, C-O-M-E-S, comes. C-A-T-C-H, catch, it changes into C-A-T-C-H-E-S, catches. And the last one, that is B-U-Y, buy, it changes into B-U-Y-S, buys. Let's now move to the next page. Well, on the next page, we have the B question which says, write ing form of the following verb. So you have to add ing to it. The first one is sing. So it changes into S-I-N-G-I-N-G, singing. Then the second one given over here is dance. It changes into D-A-N-C-I-N-G, dancing. The third one is carry and it changes into carrying. Then the fourth one, write, it changes into writing. Fifth one is swim. Here, its spelling changes into double M-I-N-G, swimming. Then the sixth one is move. E gets removed and we will write M-O-V-I-N-G, moving. Then the seventh one, play. It changes into P-L-A-Y-I-N-G, playing. And the last one, that is cry. It changes into C-R-Y-I-N-G, crying. So, with this we have completed number B question. Let's now move quickly to the C question. The C question states that we have to mention the past tense of the following verbs. So, what is the first word? The first word is M-A-K-E, make, and the answer for this is M-A-D-E, made. Then the second one is sit. It changes into sat. The past tense of this word is S-A-T, sat. The third one is write. What is the correct word or past tense? The correct word is W-R-O-T-E, wrote. Fourth one is read. हम इसको लिखेंगे again R-E-A-D, read, but we pronounce it as read. Then the fifth one is speak. Now this changes into S-P-O-K-E, spoke. The sixth one, swim. Now this also changes. The spelling is S-W-A-M, swam. Seventh one, love. Love changes into L-O-V-E-D, loved. This is the past tense. And hit remains same. So with this, we have completed the C question of this chapter, and we have also completed the whole of the exercise of this chapter. I hope you liked the video. I hope you have understood that topic. Stay tuned till the next video. Well, stay tuned till the next video. Keep watching. Take care and goodbye.